এগুলোই হচ্ছে সব থেকে বড় পাওয়া একটা টিচারের কাছে। তুমি যে আমার জন্য এতটা ভেবেছো, এতটা লিখেছো, দিস ইজ রিয়েলি। হ্যাঁ, বলো।
Actually, voice is not so cool, but I tried something uh, and I wrote something in English. So
বাহ।
I want to recite this. Everyone, I'm Devarati Dash and I am a beginner student. So today I'm going to honor you, our beloved sir, Ajay Ghosh sir and his team, Shahali ma'am and Sujay sir also. So this title of the recite is Echoes of Inspiration, to tribute to all of you, sir and students. In the realm of words and sound, guiding light I have found. With patience, grace, and skill so true, you teach us what all words can do. Clearing the roadmap, how many days are required to develop critical analysis of the story, he teaches us imitation and shadowing techniques just like the child. In the classroom, scared space where minds and hearts find their place, giving us the morning and night medicine. Yeah, any guesses? Yeah, there stands a guide who both wise and kind, imparting knowledge unconfined. Oh, teacher, with your voice so strong, you turn confusion into song. Your lessons, like the morning light, chase away the darkest night. Create a group of leaders, dozen of partners in order to grow and learn together, increasing our vocab by playing WPL game, memory game, following TPR method, knowing grammar family, parts of speech, and daily user sentences, we can easily say, speak in English, and we are able to make a good sentence structure, and it will make the sentence more attractive. To name a few, list goes on. To name a few, your creativity remains uh, unconfined in our heart. And each lesson builds our confidence. In every word, we find our sense. Beside you stands on it, so true, a helper with a heart anew. Together, like a seamless thread, you wave a tapestry of red. In every word, in every deed, you plant a deeply rooted seed. Your guidance, just like the gentle rain, nurtures dreams and eases pain. Providing reading, conversational listening material by your team, supplying TOEFL method, contradiction, furnished a contest to realize our sporting value or our growth in just 3 months, or just a really occupied role model, debate, and boost our communication skills. He really wanted to enhance our vocab by using this. He added friend, police, mother, student, teacher, bus driver, shopkeeper, and what not. Especially, he added many more character to boost our communication skills, especially in English. As if there no seem that they all are playing that are cartoon. As we talking to them like a daily man. To the students, eager eyes, you lift them up, you make them rise. You see their potential bright and clear, you and turn their confusion into cheer. For every challenges, for every test, you urge us on to do our best. A beacon in the stormy sea, you show us what we all can be. A family bound by love and trust. In your wisdom, they all can entrust. Oh Master, your guidance are we revel. Your dedication is crystal clear. In gratitude, this verse we share to show you how much we truly care. So here's a tribute, heartfelt and true, to the teacher, adult, and students too. With every word we now express, we honor you. Our teachers is the best. So thank you for tuning into my thoughts in such attentive ways. And thank you Ajay sir, Shahli ma'am and Shuja Hafiz sir for giving me this opportunity to honor you, to gratitude you, all of them on the behalf of students and from me also. So thank you for everything. Thank you for supporting me till the end. Thank you sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ
Thank you.
দেবাকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। ভাষা নেই। এগুলোই হচ্ছে সব থেকে বড় পাওয়া একটা টিচারের কাছে। তুমি যে আমার জন্য এতটা ভেবেছো, এতটা লিখেছো, দিস ইজ রিয়েলি অসম। এটা একটা বিশাল বড় পাওনা, তাই না?
Thank you
এরকম
sir.
গিফট কোনোদিন টাকা পয়সা দিয়ে কেনা যায় না, তাই না? তাই আমি তোমাদেরকে প্রত্যেককে রিকোয়েস্ট করব, তোমরা নিজের নিজের ফিল্ডে কাজ করো, ইউ হ্যাভ টু ক্রিয়েট দ্য গুড রিলেশনশিপ, কোয়ালিটি রিলেশনশিপ উইথ আদার, যাতে একদিন তোমাদের জন্য কেউ এরকম কোনো একটা কবিতা লেখে। আমি দেখেছি এরকম, এর আগেও অনেকে আমাকে নিয়ে গান লিখেছে। এরকম একটি ছেলে ছিল, খুব সুন্দর গান করেছিল। আহ, ওর সম্ভবত নাম হচ্ছে আলামিন, ওর নাম ছিল। তারপরে অনেকে ছবি এঁকেছিল কত সুন্দর। তো এগুলোই হচ্ছে আমার কাছে পাওনা, না একটা টিচারের কাছে পাওনা। খুব ভালো হয়েছে দেবারতী।